Have you ever wondered about the original features and price of your Chevrolet or GMC vehicle? The answer lies in your vehicle's window sticker. And today we'll show you how to retrieve it using just your vehicle identification number, or VIN. A Chevy window sticker, also known as a Monroney label, is a valuable document that provides crucial information about your vehicle. It lists the original manufacturer's suggested retail price, standard features, optional equipment, fuel economy ratings, and more. This information is useful for various reasons, whether you're a used car buyer, verifying vehicle details, a current owner seeking to understand your car's specifications, or a seller looking to provide accurate information to potential buyers. To get started, you'll need to locate your vehicle's VIN. This unique 17-character identifier can typically be found in 3 places. First, look at the dashboard on the driver's side, visible through the windshield. If not there, check the driver's side door jamb for a printed label near the door latch. Lastly, you can find the VIN on your vehicle documents, such as the registration, insurance card, or title. Once you have your VIN number, retrieving your window sticker is straightforward. General Motors provides free access to original factory window stickers through their online database. To access it, open your web browser and copy the link provided in the step-by-step tutorial. After the VIN equals, paste your 17-character VIN number. Press Enter, and you'll be able to view or download the original window sticker in PDF format. This method works for most recent Chevrolet and GMC models. For Chevrolet, this includes popular vehicles like the Silverado, Malibu, Traverse, Equinox, Corvette, Tahoe, and Camaro. GMC models include the Sierra, Terrain, Acadia, Yukon, and Canyon. By using this simple tool, you gain access to a wealth of information about your vehicle. For used car buyers, it helps verify manufactured features and original pricing. Current owners can retrieve lost window stickers or gain a comprehensive understanding of their car's factory specifications. Dealerships and sellers can use it to provide transparent and accurate vehicle information. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a collector, or simply curious about your car's history, this easy-to-use tool gives you a clear understanding of its features and provenance. With just a VIN number, you can unlock the details of your Chevrolet or GMC vehicle's original configuration, helping you make informed decisions about your automotive investments.